Hi there, Janet Fritz here for Galaxy Girl Creations. Welcome to my channel and welcome to a Some Assemblage Required monthly embellishment box unboxing video so you can see all the goodies that are in the April box. I haven't opened it myself yet, so we're going to get to enjoy this first experience together. If you're seeing this, it's probably even before MK shows the release, so you're going to get a sneak peek. I usually go live, my videos go live at midnight, and she does hers the next morning. So it comes all wrapped in this beautiful brown, so brown paper packages tied up with string. And I've got some green string there, so I'll use that somewhere on a layout. Let's set the box aside and see what we've got. All right, let's open that up. Ooh, I like this teal color. That's pretty. So tickets in teal and kind of a green. That's pretty. These are small sampling from 49 and Market. It's their essential tickets. So those are cool. You get 2 sets of these, 2 sets of these, and then there's actually a third one in there. Let's go look at it. Let's see if we can get it open here. Sorry for all the crinkling. Maybe you like that noise, I don't know. The bags are so skinny, like I can't get my fingers in there. I have to force it out from the other end. Maybe I should have unboxed it before. Nope, here it comes. It's coming, it's coming, it's coming. Okay. Now I can reach it. This is the other set of tickets. And you get 2 of each. 2. And, oh, maybe just one of the big, nope, there's 2 of the big one. I just don't have the second one pulled out all the way. So you get 2 of each. So let's give you a better look at that. Pretty cool. And it's got all kinds of perforations like this, and then these ones go in half there. That one's a full one. This one goes in half. This is 3 pieces right here. So 3 of these little admit ones, which really means you get 6 because you get 2 sheets. This one, and another one with 3, and then a single that says excursion. So that's cool. This one, same kind of deal, although the perforations are just across. So these little double one, you could cut it across, all these little doubles, but they don't come perforated. Okay. And then this one is just like postage stamps, but you can't mail anything with them. They're just for decoration. So really cool looking. All right. I have got a piece of acrylic. Actually, it's 2 pieces of acrylic. It says inhale possibility and exhale creativity. And it is on black, but the black has like splatter on it. Let's see if we can get a better idea of how that looks. Ooh. Let's see if my light, there you go. I think that looks really cool. And then the other one is the same, same kind of acrylic. And I love the size. These are a little smaller than I expected them to be, and I love that. Super cute. Super happy about that. I've got some little missing guys, and I don't know if these are supposed to be loose or if they came out of something. I feel like maybe they came out of this, but I'm not 100% sure. Because that seems like it would be weird that it would come out of there. Anyway, got these little pieces here. And these. And I believe the idea this month is about being creative or making things, if I remember correctly. I do actually know the title of this month, and I just don't remember it off the top of my head. I have it written down. So, this is so cute. This little paint palette, and it's got all the little colors that go in it. A tube of paint and a paintbrush. The detail on the paintbrush is so cute. You get lots of different colors there. I think that's super cute, like a little rainbow. And then these little things that say stay sharp and don't run with me. These go on scissors to keep your scissors marked, so people, like if you're at a crop or something, they know they're yours. I think that's cool. These canvas flare from Scrap and Happy Studio. Now these are a little bigger than the epoxy flare that we've been getting. So these are 1 1/4, but they're super cute. So it says create something amazing, create things and craft together. And I don't know, can you guys see that texture on there? I don't know if you can see the texture. They're on canvas. There's a little bit of the texture on the corners. I don't know, it looks really cool. I love it. We've got some splat marks on grid. Those are going to be fun. I got some ideas for those already this month. These are from Dusty Attic. They're called Broken Bits 7 Distressed Grid. So yeah, lots of fun things with mixed media for that. And this is a stencil that MK created, and Sandy over at Scrapping Reflections cuts them in 6x6 for the embellishment box, because normally Sandy's stencils are all 12x12, which is awesome, but sometimes you just want something a little smaller. And so that one's really cool. Lots of little like rings. So that's fun. I just love touching it. It feels so cool. So that is what you get in the monthly embellishment box for March. And I'm pretty excited to go ahead and get started using it. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me for this quick little walkthrough of everything that you get. If you have any questions or anything, you can leave those down below and I will respond as quickly as I can. I'm going to stick these back in here. Yep, they did come out of here, you guys, because my little baggie got a little rip in it right there. So they should all be together, I believe. Yeah, the side's got a hole in it. Well, I'm going to stick them back in there, we'll see. They'll probably just fall right back out, but that way I don't lose them in the bottom of the box. I think these are really cool because these could be school. You got your protractor and your ruler, your compass, a drafting compass, not like a compass rose. And then you've got some art stuff too. So that's really cool. A little paintbrush and palette and a larger paintbrush. Super fun. That is it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Again, leave comments down below if you have any questions, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Bye.